Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're doing a neat little combinatorics problem. So you randomly pick three numbers from 1 to 30. What's the probability the sum is going to be a multiple of 3? So let's write down some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we go all the way up to 30. And to get a multiple of 3, they could all be multiples of 3, like 3, 6, 9. They add up to multiple of 3. They could all be one more than a multiple of 3, like 1 plus 4 plus 7, for instance, and you get a multiple of 3 if you do that. You can classify like all these numbers as numbers that are multiples of 3. Maybe I'll even do that algebraically, like this is 3n, a multiple of 3. One more than a multiple of 3 is 3n plus 1, and 2 more is 3n plus 2, and then we're back to like a 3n again. Okay? Or another way to think about it is numbers either have 1 remainder when you divide by 3, or 2 remainder when you divide by 3, or they have 0 remainder when you divide by 3. So this list, you can think of it this way. This might be easier. This is similar to this list. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, dot, 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 and this is 0. It gives you a remainder of 0 when you divide by 3, right? So it's the same, it's an equivalent problem. Okay, how can I, or how many different ways can I pick, and actually this is supposed to be number of ways, actually, I'm not going to do probability. What is the number of ways? The sum is a multiple of 3, so it's the same thing as number of ways. This is a multiple of 3. And that can only happen if we pick, for example, 1, 1, 1. That gives you a multiple of 3, gives you 3. Okay, and the same thing if we pick like 1, 4, 7, for instance, we get a multiple of 3. And we're going to also consider 2, 2, 2. That gives you 6. You could have 0, 0, 0. They're all divisible by 3. Or you could have 0, 1, 2. Okay, if you pick these, it'll add up to 3, multiple of 3. So this is all the possibilities. Those 4 possibilities right there, right? The way you count these are all the same. So we can just do 3 times the probability of one of those things happening. So there's 10 numbers that have a remainder of 1 when you divide by 3. And we're choosing 3 of them, so that's 10 choose 3. Same thing for all 3 of them, so we multiply by 3. Then for this last one, there's 10 of these to choose from. And then there's 10 of these after that for your second pick, and 10 of these, so it is 10 cubed, and that gives you 1360 when you calculate that.